Microsoft Office is back on Chromebooks. This means that you can use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint as an app on your Chromebook again, giving you a much better integration of Microsoft tools on your Chromebook alongside Google's free Office tools. You can now install Microsoft 365 as a progressive web app on your Chromebook by going to office.com, logging into your Microsoft 365 account, clicking on the three dots at the top right of the browser, and clicking Install Microsoft 365. Once Microsoft 365 is installed, you can pin the app to the tray as usual and launch it like any other app on your Chromebook. The Microsoft 365 app includes the complete Office package, but as mentioned before, it is the web apps, which means that you need an internet connection to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. However, the range of functions is sufficient in my opinion. For example, you can also create pivot tables in Excel, and the most important functions are available in Word and PowerPoint. The Microsoft 365 app in this form is just the beginning, though. Google has announced that they will continue to work on integrating Microsoft Office into Chrome OS in the coming months and, for example, make OneDrive available directly in the file system. In other words, just like it already works great with Google Drive. Subscribe now to this channel to support me. If you want to know the top 10 things every Chromebook user should know, click on the video on the right now and I'll say thanks for watching and bye until the next video.